Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the final remix for your Pass It On project. So let's say you made a remix, and when you click on it, you'll be able to tell if other people looked at your project and made their own copy of it and added to it by looking at this icon right here. So this little swirly thing says one person has remixed my project. So now if I click on this area right here where it says remixes, it's actually going to take me to the project that they made. And now if we look, 9 people have actually remixed their project. So we can go one layer deeper to see what they added to this one. So I click on the next one. And once we get to the one that says 0, that means this is the final remix of this version of the project. So then you can play this and then see what they added to your original project, or to the project that I actually created. Now, you might actually have a lot of remixes. So for instance, this one actually has over 1,500 remixes. So to look at all of them, you can actually click on this View All, and then it's actually going to bring up all the different remixes for that particular project that you have. There might be a lot, like this one has over 1,500 different remixes on here, so this one's going to take a while to load all of them. So that's how you find the final remix in your Pass It On project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.